representing items from different Slovenian designers. All of them received the badge of excellency made in Slovenia.
The stories of these products are also about using innovative design, innovation, technological means of production, but also their passion for life and passion for nature.
The exhibition will travel to different cities and design weeks all over the world as a part of Slovenia's presidency to European Union.